Hi everyone, today we are going to do simple substitution in equations. This is part 2, okay? Part 2 can be found in your workbook. The questions can be found in workbook, module 3 measurement, which is your blue workbook, page 98 to 102. Module 3 measurement workbook, page 98 to 102. Okay, let's recap. Previously, I went through some questions. Okay, so let's start. How many sweets are there? There's 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bag, 4 bags. Okay, and N has how many sweets? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 sweets in each bag. N equals to 3. So 4 bags of N equals to 4N. We write 4 bags of N as 4N, which means 4 times N, which is 4 times 3, as N equals to 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. So there are 12 sweets in 4 bags of N. Okay, recap. What is 5y when y is 6? So let's look at this. There are 5 y's and y is 6. So we take 5 times y. 5y means 5 times y. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times y is 6. So 5 times 6 equals 30. Okay, next question. What is 6z when z is 8? So 6z means 6 times z. Okay, z is 8. So 6 times 8 equals to 48. Alright, very good. Okay, so let's try a question on this. Okay, so this question is 5y plus 6z when y equals to 6 and z equals to 8. So y is 6, z is 8. So let's break it up like how we did just now. There is 5y and there is 6z. Okay, so what is 5y when y is 6? So it means 5 times y, which is 5 times 6 equals to 30. So 5y equals to 30. What is 6z when z is 8? So what is 6z when z is 8? Okay, it just means 6 times z. Z is 8. 6 times 8 equals to 48. Okay, so let's look at the question above. 5y plus 6z. Let's add it all up together. So 5y is 30, 6z is 48. So 5y plus 6z is 30 plus 48, which gives you 78. Let's look at another example. So now the question is 5y minus 3z when y is 7 and z is 4. Okay, y equals to 7, z equals to 4. So let's do number 1. What is 5y when y is 7? So it means 5 times 7. 5 times 7, 5 times y, which is 7, equals to 35. Next, what is 3z when z is 4? So 3z means 3 times z, which is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So we know that 5y is 35. 3z is 12. So let's write it down in this question. 35, 5y minus 3z is 35 minus 12. 35 is 5y minus 12, which is 3z. Answer is 23. Okay, another question. The question is 8y plus 2s when y equals to 5 and s equals to 4. So we have 8y plus 2s when y equals to 5 and s equals to 4. So we start. 8y equals to 8 times y, 8 times 5 equals to 40. So 8y is 40. 2s equals to 2 times 4 equals to 8. S is 4. So 2 times 4 equals to 8. Let's write the question all together. 8y minus 2s. Okay, I just changed the question. 40 minus 8 equals to 32. So I'm so sorry, I changed the question. I didn't put plus here, I put minus here. Okay, so never mind, it's okay. It's still 8y and 2s. So 8y minus 2s equals to 40 minus 8 equals to 32. If we change the question back to 8y plus 2s, we just do as 40 plus 8. 8y plus 2s is 40 plus 8 equals to 48. Thank you very much for listening to this. I hope it helps you. If you have any questions or problems, please go and listen again.